How to block someone on Scout? Blocking someone on Scout is the best way to stop unwanted chats, harassment, or spam. Here is how you can do it easily. Open the Scout app and go to the chat or inbox. Open the conversation with the person you want to block. Tap the three dot or option icon in the corner. From the pop-up menu, select block. Confirm when prompted, and they will no longer be available to message or interact with you. What happens when you block someone? They can't message you, they can't view your profile, they won't be notified that they are blocked, you won't appear in their suggestion or search. If you want to unblock them later, go to setting in your Scout app, scroll down until you see privacy settings. Inside privacy settings, you will see show block users. Select the user and tap unblock. You will see it at top right corner, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.